You just recently launched a multi-billion-dollar expansion.
We have kicked off the manufacturing of our centrifuges in Tennessee. Those centrifuges will be shipped off to Piketon, Ohio, where we're going to commence enrichment by 2029.
Today, I'm very pleased to announce another $567 million investment that'll create almost 450 jobs right here in Tennessee.
Right, another company in Oak Ridge is gearing up for growth. Centrus is planning a major expansion of its centrifuge manufacturing plant. The expansion is expected to bring nearly 430 new jobs and more than $560 million in investment over the next several years.
The people who live in our community will find good-paying jobs, jobs with meaning. Equipment will be ordered, action will happen, trucks will move, and men and women will build.
Well, that $560 million is going to go towards hiring people. I mean, from when I started here to where we are now, to me, it looks like we got quadrupled the people that we have, and we haven't even started.
An announcement like this changes families' lives in this community.
Please welcome Senior Vice President, Field Operations at Centrus Energy, Patrick Brown.
Together with Palantir, we are building the operating system for American uranium enrichment. This will allow us to restore a lost capability to our country, and it will carry our nation into the next era of nuclear power. What you see here is the centrifuge mission control. We are digitally retooling our entire operations here. So this picture here is a live operational picture across every centrifuge we're building.
You know, we're going to have to rediscover nuclear. On the other hand, I think people would be surprised to learn that we remain dependent on foreign sources and foreign adversary sources for nuclear enrichment.
We are importing 70% of our enrichment needs. 20% of the grid depends on nuclear.
And that's the mission of Centrus, to restore this lost capability for both commercial nuclear power and national security.
Well, some other news. NYSE-listed uranium enrichment company Centrus Energy announced last week that it's teaming up with another NYSE-listed firm, that's Oklo, on a planned joint venture to advance nuclear fuel services in Ohio.
And what is next for Centrus?
My vision is that we're going to not only be able to supply our domestic needs and our national security needs, we're going to fill our Piketon, Ohio facility with tens of thousands of centrifuges. We're going to become not only a domestic provider, but a net exporter of uranium enrichment around the world. It will be an exciting day for us, and that's what we're positioned for.